Hi everyone, welcome back. Today is day 22 of my English speaking challenge. It's been for a while. It's been like 2 days since I show up. So today is day 22. I just show up. We're going to practice our English and speak English and tell you a few tips that you can improve your English speaking, your English understanding, and also like your vocabulary and also like your spelling. So here is my notebook. I don't know if you can see, but let me try. So here is my notebook. Been writing English. I started English reading. So whatever I try to read, I also write down one page at least. So I try to write down one page and improve my English writing because I'm really bad at spelling. So what I noticed so far is when it comes to writing or learning how to spell words, you must focus on writing the most. If you want to understand English so much, you need to focus on listening more podcasts. If you want to speak good English, you need to focus on practicing more while you're speaking English. And also reading. If you wanna learn more vocabulary, improve your vocabulary, you should read as well. So for me, I started reading English. I started reading articles in Google, like Chrome or something, and also I read like 30 books in Google, and then I just read those books and try to improve my English vocabulary because I don't know many vocabulary. And if you don't know many vocabulary, it's really hard to speak English properly, speak good English. So I feel like right now I'm improving so much, and it's been like 2 weeks since I started reading English. Also writing, I started writing. So I just want to focus on, always when we learn English, the those like people who knows English, like teachers or the expertise language learners, those they say like you need to focus on, if you want to improve your language, you need to focus on writing, listening, speaking, and reading. So for me, before, since I started learning English 8 months ago, I've been focusing, practicing so much. It's more professional. I'm not saying I'm not regret right now. I'm really grateful that I started speaking so early. And also, I used to listen more podcasts. So right now, when I'm watching movies, when I see native speakers while they're speaking, I completely understand English. Yeah, there's some words I don't understand, is some sentence structures, you know, but I feel like my understanding is really amazing. Like I do understand English so much. And also my speaking, yeah, my speaking is, I don't know, it bit sucked. Like not that bad, but I need to learn many vocabulary because I don't know more vocabulary, and improve my grammar as well because my grammar is a bit sucked too. I have a shaky grammar. By the way, I never learn grammar. Since I started learning English, I always focus on speaking and listening. So all the reason I started reading, also I want to improve my grammar. So guys, right now I'm just speaking in front of the camera in this video. So when I'm speaking so properly, confidently, I swear to God, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Before reading, before I started reading, I couldn't able to speak English like the way I do right now. It was like I was struggling, I was forgetting words, uh, I was like feeling nervous so much, and also like I feel like so much nervous, so much unconfident. Like, well, I tried to speak English, and I was like, damn, what's going on? But hopefully, I started reading, and I'm gonna keep reading as well. Also, I'll wait. I'll wait. I try to write down things, catch new words there. So when you're reading, if you're struggling to learn words, go and get some read, bro. Got some books, like got to books. For me, I do not read books in real life. I don't really buy books and read them, but I just read in articles, the people post, posts. I read those, and it improved me so much. So if you, for me, in physical book, I think I'm not gonna do that because I know myself. I would do it, but I don't know. I don't wait so much. So guys, that is our video today. I started waiting. Yeah, this is my book. I started waiting. I started reading books and I see more improvement. I see more improvement. Hopefully, we're gonna keep doing that and let you know, guys, if there's my progress, everything I've improved so far. I will tell you as well. So don't forget to hit the like button this video and join me on this journey. Just learn English with me. You know, we're just speaking English in front of the camera, and we're gonna keep speaking. Hopefully, just keep speaking, keep improving so much. Yeah, that's one day at a time or one time at a time. Nobody. How we going, guys? See you.